Hello guys, what's up? I am Harsh Karak from Android Solutions. So today I am going to show you how you can install the Note 5 ROM in your Samsung Galaxy S Duos 2 or GT S7582. Firstly, I want to tell you that Note 5 ROM does not have any tweaks or features. It is same as the stock ROM, but it has more battery backup and it has more user-friendly interface that is more smoother than the stock one. So guys, firstly let me show you my stock ROM. You can see it, Android version 4.2.2, that is it's run on Jelly Bean, Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean. Now I'm going to replace this ROM with my Note 5 ROM. First of all, you have to place that zip file in your external SD card. I have placed it here, Note 5 Experience. Make sure not to place it in device storage, because you know that in this installing process, first of all we have to format our phone, so that will delete the file which is placed in our phone storage. So first of all guys, power off your device, wait till it completely turn off. You have to go into the recovery mode by pressing this volume up key, home button and this power key. You have to press 3 of them together. Make sure that you don't have that stock recovery that you get with this Samsung Galaxy S Duos 2. You need to install the TeamWin project or TWRP recovery with version 2.8.7.0. Or if you want to know how to install this TWRP in your phone, then you can see my another video which is based on how to install TWRP in this S Duos 2 and root your device. So guys, firstly I need to format my data. Enter. Now I don't need to have the advanced swipe which will delete these items, Dalvik cache, system data, internal storage or cache, because it's run on the stock ROM, so we have to install it on our stock ROM. Make sure that you don't advanced swipe the device. So just click on install, select that Note 5 ROM, select it and swipe to confirm flash. You have generally seen that it shows the message that checking for MD5 files, keeping MD5 check, no MD5 file found. So that's okay, no problem. Your ROM will install without any difficulties. You can see it is written that installing next is now ROM. And make sure this is not that S6 ROM. S6 ROM is little bit different from this S5 ROM. S6 ROM has some more features than this S5 ROM. If you want to know how to install that S6 ROM, I have made a particular video on that also, so make sure that you check it on. It will take its time, so please have some patience and make sure that you have do this all process without any problem, or you will potentially break your device. And by chance if you break your device, you can check my another video on how to unbreak this Samsung Galaxy S Duos 2, whose link I will put in the description box below. Click to make that it does not unactive or sleep. Just a little more time. It's almost over. You can see it's done. Now reboot system. Samsung Galaxy S-Duos 2 GT S7 5F2. Now Samsung Galaxy S-Duos 2 logo is being replaced by this Samsung Note 5 logo. It will take its time, so please wait. You can feel a vibration when it's going to boot up. A little bit of vibration. Now you can see Samsung Galaxy Next is now. Oh, actually I have to put my SIM lock. Now you have to select your language. It's English United Kingdom. Let me find it for India. No, it's not. So let it be English United Kingdom. Click on next. If you want to add the Wi-Fi, you can. Let me connect it to mine. Connected. Click on next. I understand and agree to all terms and conditions above. Yes. Next, if you want to add your Google account, you can add now, but let me skip it for now. Not now. Let me add my name. Next. No need to interfere. Click on done. Guys, now you can see that it's the Note 5 ROM with this Note 5 display. You can see that these icons are not in circular form, it's in somewhat square or rectangular form, somewhat different from the stock ROM. And also this ROM is pre-rooted, that you do not need to root this device, it's already rooted now. Click on normal. It's just need updating. Successful. So guys, you can see it's similar to that stock ROM or not S6 ROM. But you can also see that this ROM will run smoothly on this device and it has no bugs. As I said, it is just similar to that stock ROM, no new features. But about this Samsung Note 5, but about Android, it's Android version 5.0.2 Lollipop. It has also Xposed installer, but you need to install that framework. And also if you want to change the wallpaper, you can. It has some new wallpapers. These all are Note 5 wallpapers. Let me select this one. So guys, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos on this Samsung Galaxy S2 Host 2.